So you also mentioned in one of your answers about the body language thing, which is also very important. अगर body language की बात करें तो ऐसे क्या body language cues होते हैं which are considered as very good, and what are like some things people should keep in mind about their body language when they are meeting someone for the first time, when they are attending a very big wedding function or a very big family function? तो क्या क्या चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए?
This is a very repetitive advice that's given, but it's cliched because it's true, is eye contact. But I mean, ये तो हमें हर जगह पता ही होता है कि eye contact बनाना चाहिए. I mean, there's enough information on the internet about that. What's really useful to know is that we treat eye contact as a noun, as a static thing. But actually, eye contact is a dynamic process. Right, what I mean by that is, if I'm comfortable with you, I will naturally make eye contact with you. But if I'm uncomfortable with you, I will try to look away, which is usually what happens. And naturally, बात है, पहली बार किसी को मिल रहे हो तो you tend to look away here and there until you get comfortable, and then you can make direct eye contact. So eye contact is a result of, let's say, number one is comfort. But comfort हर जगह नहीं मिलेगा ना. First time if I'm meeting you, of course there's no comfort level there. The other thing is to be other focused. All the anxiety around communication and around all the social anxiety, it comes from self-consciousness. If I'm thinking about myself, if I'm me focused, but the moment that I can turn all of my attention towards you and I melt away, right? That means that, okay, now I am worried about, or I am more focused on, what do you need from me right now? If something is a bigger responsibility than I am to me, then I am comfortable. So usually क्या होता है कि whenever you're moving into a room where you're going to meet people for the first time, our default mental state is कि I need to portray myself perfectly, which is fine, which is very normal and natural. But that's the biggest mistake. Because that is again me focused, and my anxiety level is going to go through the roof. But if I'm thinking, okay, let me think, whoever I meet, let me try and make them comfortable. Because वो भी आपकी तरह ही है. Right? Let me try and make them comfortable. So then naturally my eye contact becomes more easy. And this is a drill that I give my clients as well, that who are very uncomfortable with eye contact, right? Brilliant, talented, insane people, but very uncomfortable with eye contact, social contact. So this is my drill for them, that you go to a low stake situation. अब कोई book store पे जाओ, and कोई अगर मेरे clients बॉम्बे से, तो हमने बॉम्बे तो perfect जगह आपके लिए. You have so many people willing to, like, so open to connect with other people. लाइक आप जाओ, कोई बुक स्टोर पे जाओ, या कोई किराने की दुकान पे जाओ, या आप किसी मॉल पे जाओ, मूव थ्रू द हॉल, मूव थ्रू दैट प्लेस, and find somebody, lock eyes with them for 3 seconds, and then move out of that place. Do it 5-6 times. Just get comfortable with that. Problem क्या है कि मैं eye contact क्यों नहीं बनाना चाह रही हूँ? Because I'm uncomfortable with the directness of it. It's intimate at the end of the day, right? That interpersonal intimacy, that is what we are uncomfortable with. But if I desensitize myself to that, then I'm good to go. And then क्या होता है? Some people might respond back to you, some people won't. But that's not your problem to deal with. Because you are training for other things, you're training for bigger things.
And eye contact के अलावा और क्या body language cues होंगे जो people should keep in mind?
Handshakes. Again, these are all cliches, but very literally the heart of this topic. Handshakes. A limp handshake is something that, handshake से क्या हो रहा है? हम एक दूसरे को आंक रहे हैं. We are calculating and measuring each other. Right? That a firm handshake means, okay, this is a confident person. This is very like subconscious. And a limp handshake is like, I don't know who I'm dealing with. Right? So in order to be taken seriously, and not just taken seriously, but leave an impact, it is like a print. छाप की तरह होता है एक handshake. Right? If you have a firm, let's say like this clay here, and you have a firm press on it, it leaves an impact. If you're just limp like that, it's not going to leave any impact. Just consider it like that. So a firm handshake. Now this is not a body language cue, but this is more from the grooming perspective, that especially if these are high stake situation and the kind of situations where you might meet new people, and ऐसे situations जो रोज़ रोज़ repeat नहीं होने वाले. अगर आप रोज़ शादियों में जा रहे हो तो मे बी आपको हर रोज़ ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर आप महीने में एक बार जा रहे हो, या or to an event, of course, like grooming, how you're dressing, right? There are so many elements to that, like that came as a part of my certification, right? There's so many like analytical scientific elements to image psychology, because when I'm meeting somebody for the first time, I don't know who they are at all. They haven't had the chance, or I haven't had the chance to portray who I am as a person or leave an impression with words yet. So for the first 3 to 7 seconds, they're going to see is like me walking in. What am I looking like? That we basically decide. We make a very split second opinion about somebody based on that. And then of course we build on top of it. Of course, like if I'm meeting, let's say if I'm dressed shabbily today, let's say, and you assume that, okay, not somebody that I will respect as much as if somebody is more put together. And we hate to admit that to ourselves, because हमें क्या लगता है कि यार सब्सटेंस होना चाहिए सिर्फ, या सब्सटेंस होना चाहिए तो बाकी सब भाड़ में जाए, पर नहीं होता है. सब्सटेंस होना चाहिए, बट आप अगर दिस इज़ द डिफ़ॉल्ट सेटिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी कि मैं इंसान को देख कर आई एम मेकिंग एन ओपिनियन अबाउट, सो व्हाई नॉट टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट? व्हाई नॉट टेक दैट एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट वायरिंग दैट वी हैव?
एंड इसमें हैंडशेक के केस में, लाइक, इज इट ट्रू दैट लेट्स से व्हेन two people of opposite gender, they are doing a handshake, so is it like ki when the female is initiating the handshake, then only the
Yes.
male has to initiate?
Yeah, I mean, it's said to be, that is said to be the rule. Things are changing now, because now everything has become more level. But I think the higher up you go, let's say in terms of प्रोफेशनल हायरार्की, और आप कोई भी सोशल सिचुएशन में जा रहे हो, तो आई थिंक वहाँ पे जितना आप हायर अप जाते हो ना, उतनी कन्वेंशनल चीज़ें और बढ़ने लगती है. सो इट बिकम्स मोर कंजर्वेटिव हायर अप. सो वहाँ पे इट्स मोर एक्सपेक्टेड दैट द फीमेल और द लेडी विल shake hands or like offer first, because as a guy, if you're doing it, if you're offering a hand, what you don't know if the female is comfortable or not. आजकल नहीं होता उतना, पर that's the idea behind it. So let her.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.